Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand and I'm with my friend Tamara today.
Hi.
We're doing a bike ride. It's so wonderful. I have Velotric bikes and we're gonna go all over Santa Barbara today. I'm gonna teach Tamara how to use the bike. We're gonna go up this really big hill by my house that I've never gone up, not even walking, only with a car. And we're gonna use the Velotric electric bikes. We're gonna go through some great neighborhoods. We're gonna go through this beautiful park. This park was inaccessible. We only can get there by walking or by a bike. Santa Barbara has new bike trails, so we found our way to this wonderful, very beautiful park in this meadow. And we're gonna end up at the Douglas Preserve property looking over the ocean today. So thank you, Tamara, for coming along on this bike ride with me.
Come on, let's ride.
Okay, let's go. Get our helmets. What do you think of the bikes?
I think they're beautiful. Well, the colors are beautiful, first of all. And I'm looking forward to getting on them and riding.
Okay, so let me show you how they work.
Okay.
Okay, so Tam, let me show you how you turn it on. So press the top button, hold it down for 3 seconds.
Oh, then it lights up the Velotric.
Yes, yeah. And I charge the battery so it's fully loaded. It's on 0 now. The assist will go up from 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the 0 means you won't have any assist, you'll just be riding with your pedals. But when you want an assist, see this plus button over here, Tamara?
Yes.
Okay, get your little finger there.
Press.
Okay, so that's assist
okay,
one.
we're on assist one.
So if you were to pedal, you see the pedals down there, Tam?
Yes.
Right here.
Gotcha.
If you were to start pedaling, that bike's gonna take off.
Yes.
So you need to know that. And so it's always good to be on a flat surface when you start pedaling with an assist.
Got it.
Okay, that's important.
Yes.
And then let's say you want to go top speed and you're like going anywhere, going up a hill or wherever you're going. Okay, press a little plus again. That's medium. Keep going. That's 3. Now that's the top
Is that
speed.
the maximum? 3?
Maximum.
Got it.
Okay?
Yes.
And so let's say, oh, it's too fast. Now what do you do, Tamara?
Go to the subtract. See how smart? I'm your smart friend.
You learned this easy. This is great. Okay, now press it down to 0.
Okay.
1, 0. Okay, good. Tamara, this is one of my favorite little features. What is that?
That's a bell.
That's a bell. So let's test out the bell. So put your hand on the left handlebar. And no, but you got to do it with one hand.
Oh, sorry.
Because this hand is going to be over there. Okay, so now put both hands on the handlebars.
Got it.
Okay, now this is your front brake on the left side. So touch your front brake.
Oh, I found
Make sure
it.
that's
Yeah.
comfortable.
It is.
So remember, you always need to do them equally. Rear brake. The front brake is, a little touchy, so you want to do them glidingly. Okay, so you want to do them evenly when you ride. That's what I do. Okay, so there you
Yes.
go. But that's like a normal bike, right?
Yeah.
The brake's like normal bike. Okay, it's just the assist.
I feel like I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do this.
Okay, so follow me.
It's hard to ride on grass.
Well, we're just gonna figure this out, Tim.
I'm going on the walkway.
Okay. So what we have to do is be careful when we get to the top of the driveway because we don't want any cars to go. Okay, so put your assist on 1, Tamara.
I will.
Okay, and follow me.
I'm following you.
Whee!
Look both ways.
Tamara, we need to have a powwow.
Yes, let's do.
This hill has been an issue for me.
I can see why.
Do you have anxiety looking at this hill?
That's more than I like to do at the beginning of a bike ride, but we've got this.
You think so?
You can do this. We can do this together.
Well, with Velotric, I think it's be manageable. Now, I've never done this in my whole life, and you is one of my besties in the world.
Aw.
We're gonna do this together.
We've got this, girl.
Okay? So this is the plan. When that light turns green, hi! When this, I like to make friends.
I love that.
So when this line turns green,
yes?
we're gonna go through,
Yeah.
and we're gonna keep going until we hit the top.
Okay, let's do it. I'm
Okay?
ready.
All right.
Countdown right now.
Have a good ride. All right, go to 2. Go to 2, Tim. to 3.
I'm on 3.
Oh, that
I
is
am
so
on
easy.
3.
Can you imagine this?
Oh, Rebecca Lane, that's so
Got my
great.
name.
I never noticed that. You have a whole street named after you. How awesome are you?
Only since I've had my Velotric bike have I noticed the street names in my neighborhood.
The next time we go out on these bikes, let's go to Elings Park because it's a steep hill and it's beautiful up there.
You know what? Again, I would never have done that. I don't even like walking that hill. Wasn't that fun, Tam?
That was amazing. I loved it.
Okay,
Let's keep going.
let's keep going.
Good.
Hi there. How are you? It's so great, Tamara.
I
You
know.
everywhere we go, we're meeting new people.
With you, I meet so many more people than I would on my own. Where to now?
Okay, I thought we'd go to the Wilcox property.
It's called the Douglas Preserve now.
Oh yeah.
You're a true local when you call it the Wilcox, I think.
I've lived here a long time.
I know you have.
Okay, it's got a really pretty view of the ocean.
Yes, it does.
That's why you want to go up there.
Yeah, let's do.
Okay, let's go. Let's make one loop and
Okay.
then we're going. Assist 1.
I'm going on assist 1 as well. Okay, got it.
I love that it's all terrain, Tamara.
I know, here we are on wood chips and it's fantastic.
I know. And
So
there's
easy.
no slippage.
I'm loving this. I feel like a mountain girl.
We made it.
Yay, we're here.
What do you think?
I think
Was
this
that
is
an easy
so much
ride?
fun.
Was that an easy ride?
So easy. I love Velotric.
Yeah, I love this bike. What do you think of this Eucalyptus Grove? Have you been here before?
Yes, but not on a bike like this. This is great.
I know. It was so easy to get there. This is a dog park.
I know. So we get to meet all
Hi,
these dog
puppy.
friends.
Puppy.
Hi.
Puppy.
Hello.
Hi. Aww. What
Aw.
a cutie pie. Oh, little puppy. What's
Very
your
friendly.
name?
Aw, he
Oh,
wants
sweet.
friends. I know. So sweet.
Thank you for sharing your dog with us today. That's fun.
I know.
Okay, let's go see if we can see the ocean.
Okay,
let's
come
take the
on.
bikes. Helmets on for safety. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, best to be off our bikes, Tamara. We don't want to ride into the ocean.
No, we don't.
Wow, look at this view. Okay, that's far enough, I'd say.
I agree.
Kickstands down.
Oh, we live in a beautiful place. I love being on the Velotric bikes today. We got to see so much of Santa Barbara.
You know, I find it so easy. And Tamara, you know me. I would never have ridden a regular bike in my life. And I was scared of those electric bikes because they're so heavy. Did you find the Velotric was easy to handle?
I found it was very easy to handle and shift gears, and the brakes were easy to use. It was super easy to function. I enjoyed it so much.
Did you feel safe on it?
Very safe, especially
Yeah.
with the helmet.
I feel super safe on this bike. I'm not going to fall off it. It's not going to go too fast. It's not going to be too heavy. If I were to get myself in trouble, or if I was to, do something wrong and come off the bike, and I feel that if I was to get myself in trouble and like go and spill out somewhere, that bike is not so heavy that it's going to hurt me. It just is so light to grab and hold.
I felt like it was very lightweight and functional and not too
Yeah, not too bulky. Right?
too bulky.
Not too bulky.
Easy to maneuver and manipulate.
Yeah, it's really easy to handle.
Yeah.
So that's why I fell in love with the Velotric. Do you like the color? Do you like your blue?
I like the blue. If I had to choose either the yellow or the blue, I was happy with the blue.
Well, yellow's my favorite color, so I took the yellow, but the blue's pretty too.
And we were right in the midst
look at
of
these
it.
doggies.
Aren't they so cute? We're in a great dog park today.
How cute. Check
Aw.
out the bikes.
I know. He's
I love it.
loving
They're
the
so
bikes.
friendly.
Yes.
Loving the Velotric. What I found today, maybe because it's Friday, there were so many cyclists out.
There were so many, and we got to greet each one of them and wish them a happy ride. And
Whether they liked it or not.
well, you're so friendly, and I jump in too, so it was fun. It was fun that way. I had a blast. Next time I want to go up into Ealings Park.
The only time I've ever gone to the top of Ealings was in a car. There's no way to even walk that hill, just like that Portosuelo hill that we rode up first.
Right.
This hill is on this street called Portosuelo in Santa Barbara, California, and there's no way I would have ever gone up this hill. I wouldn't even have walked it. It would have been a car or nothing. And with Velotric, I was easily able to get up this hill with my buddy Tamara, and this was her first hill she's ever climbed.
Yes, it was, and it was easy to do, and I would do it again. I'm ready for next week's ride.
You aced that hill, Tam.
Thank you.
Would you have been able to ride that hill without an electric bike?
With a lot of difficulty, it was so much more pleasurable with the Velotric.
So you're saying you would have. You could have and you would have?
I could have. It would
But
have
would
taken
you?
me. No.
You wouldn't
No,
have.
I wouldn't have enjoyed it, and yes, I enjoyed it today.
I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for coming with Tamara and I on this ride.
Yes, thanks for coming.
Click the link below to get your Velotric electric bike. I love it.
I love the Velotric bikes too.
Okay, so let's go home and enjoy our town as we're riding.
We will.